Hey guys, it's iPod Apple 8 and I have to be quiet because someone's sleeping and yeah. So, just a really quick unboxing of this Xbox 360 controller, wireless. It just came with this bag because you get it cheaper because the box, it's like more, but the box you're going to throw out anyways. So, I'd rather just get this. It's brand new still, but yeah. But I actually do have a black one, Elite, if you guys know. I already deleted the video, but there wasn't any black wireless one, so we got a white one. Black one looks better, but it's right, so let's unbox. Okay, so let's unbox this. Put that down. I just want to leave this off because it's just a bit sloppy. Alright, so yeah. Put in AA batteries right here. And soon we're just done. Just look at that brand new controller. Yes, it is brand new. Now that I think of it, actually feels pretty nice. Yes, that's just a quick unboxing of this. So peace.